Hello, my YouTube friends. Dave Wilson here. Just a couple things that I've been working on. I want to give you an update. A friend of mine, Jacob Elliott, he sent me a link to this insert press. So what it'll do is put a soldering iron on it, and it's got a counterweight here that's it's a little strange, but it works pretty well. It keeps it from hitting the surface. Anyway, you heat the soldering iron up and you can put brass inserts in, nice and straight and flush. And I've been doing it by hand, and this is a lot better. But I'm going to put a link to this in the description. But I really thank Jacob for sending me this. It took a while. It's got one special bearing, and that was sort of the worst part. Everything else is something you probably have already, some idler rollers. If you've got an Ender series or a lot of other printers, you probably have some of these spare. And then a piece of 2020 extrusion. But that's been working pretty well, and I've got my inserts. So I'm just going to town, just going crazy putting inserts and everything. These are my OmniaDrop main bodies that I've printed and modified and putting inserts in. This is holder for the quick change, and I'm printing those. I'm printing one right here because I'm going to modify two of my Ender 5s to look like Ender 5 Pluses. I've got this one pretty well done. This is Chris. He's finally moved into regular production area. But I've got two exo slides on order. One for Chris and one for Mr. White here. And I'm going to modify. I think I can use exo slide for the Ender 5 Plus, because these will both have the 2040 rails on them when they're done. But so that's something I'm looking forward to. Those should be here, in the next few days or so, and I'll see how that goes. I've got all the parts printed for this one to modify to dual axis. My nephew's having a birthday, and his dad's real gun nut, so I'm going to make him some toy guns to play with, and that's what I'm working on now. Different size models, and my wife's a little crazy about me making them, but his dad really likes guns, and I'm sure his son will. But so that's what I've been working on. Just printing. These fan shields I print out the HIPS plastic are working pretty well. I'm going to try some probably in nylon pretty soon. I think Max is going to have some updates on different material he's using. And I've got an OmniaDrop on order for the Valentine model. So we'll see how that turns out. But I've been real happy with the breakout boards. They're working really well, and been having just great luck with them. So please leave any questions or comments for me. Hope everybody's having fun with their printers or thinking about getting one. It's a great hobby, I'll tell you, because you can print parts for them and print all kinds of toys, and been printing Valentine's Day things. So anyway, hope everybody's doing well. Thank you.